Hello viewers, in this video we learn how to download Cisco Packet Tracer and install. Search www.neatacad.com/resources/lab-downloads. Scroll down, you can see login, then click continue with Google. Choose Google account, which you want used. Scroll down, you can see download link. If you don't see download link, again search neatacad.com/resource/lab-download. Choose Packet Tracer version for different operating system. macOS, Ubuntu, Windows. Click it. Download start automatically. Wait sometimes.
Where's my notebook? My dreams, write them down. Write down your dreams. Write down your dreams. Don't forget to write down your dreams. More silence, more silence. And now, it's time to go. My journey to where I'm going is steady and still silent. I gather my belongings and my clothes, my garments, my gloves, my socks, my heels, and I put them together in a way that I'm telling a story with my appearance. The silence starts to break. I start to sing to myself, engage how I feel. I put my clothes on, and still more silence, more silence. Where's my water? Drink plenty of water. Be fluid, be one with water, be one with air. Preparing myself for the adventure, for the purpose of music, for the sound to grow within my belly. I am ready to start my day. I let my vocals carry me to the next moment.
If download complete, click downloaded Packet Tracer. Installation process start. Wait few seconds. If installation complete, open Packet Tracer, redirect browser. No browser open with default. You need login Google ID browser. Set default browser, which browser you already log in, Google ID or Gmail ID. Shows server worldwide. Click Login. Cisco Packet Tracer will be open. Now you can use Packet Tracer. Installation successfully. Thank you for watching video.